Greetings, RC Model Geeks, and here we are in the shed once again for part 3 of the Keil Kraft Zypher build. So the wing has now dried off overnight, and that's pretty much as far as I'm going to go with it until the postman arrives. The servo is going to go in here, but I'm not going to cut the holes for that or anything until the servo arrives, which should be later today, hopefully. And then I can also put the underneath sheeting on. I'm going to put some strengthening in here for the servo, and I haven't done that for the same reason. I want the servo here so I can get the sizing and everything else. So, yes, that's all good so far. Hopefully my package from PAW will arrive today as well. And then we can put the muffler on that and everything else. And that will give us a better idea of spacing in that cowling area. And hopefully the fuel tank might arrive as well. So we can sort of work that out. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for loads of parts to arrive, and amazingly some of those parts I actually bought from UK suppliers. You know, I don't just buy from Hobby King. I buy from whoever has got the part that I require. Yeah, I might have a little rant about that kind of thing later on. We'll see what mood I am in. But yeah, just waiting for stuff to arrive at the moment. So back soon when something happens. Okay, the Hobby King postman. Yes, Hobby King postman has arrived. So let's see what we got in the stash today. Hinges. Nice set of pin hinges there. Quantity 10. £1.13 for those. Some more hinges, slightly bigger, 10 again, 95p. Ball links, £2.95 for that stash. What? How many's in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For £2.95. Clevises and threaded rods, £1.59 for 2. And there's another set. Pin hinges, 10, £1.56. They're nice small ones. And another bag of the same, £1.56, small hinges. Servo, digital. Sorry, it's not a digital, this one. This is just a metal geared. Or is it a digital? I can't remember now. I think these are the digital metal gear ones. Let's have a look. No, it's analog. That's an analog metal gear. And that was how much? £3.83. Okay. Another one, exactly the same, £3.83. Brilliant, these. I've used loads of them, no problems at all. Then we move on to these big babies. Yeah, pin hinges again. These are 4.5 mil diameter. They're big chunky babies. £1.65 for 10. Now, if I wanted to go and get these from my local model shop that has actually got anything in stock is probably 40 minutes drive away, and that is the Sussex Model Centre. So let's have a look at the Sussex Model Centre website and see how much the equivalent of these is. So there they are. Right. Those are the 4.8mm diameter, the big boys. Let's look at the price. £13.63. £13.63, and you get six of those pin hinges. So not only would I have to pay £13.63, oh look, they're reduced from £14.99. I've got the petrol to go that 30 miles there and 30 miles back. Right, I got stopped mid-rant there by the swallow turning up. But I think you'll see from that bit of video, you know, that model shops, you know what, some of them are slightly taking the piss. Especially with, you know, the stuff that you need fairly often, you know, like your hinges, your clevises, servos, and stuff like that. You know, your day-to-day supplies. You know, you don't want to be paying 14 quid for a bag of hinges, for 6 hinges. You know, I mean, it's a joke. It really is. Right, anyway, back to this. So yeah, I started to look at the body, and started to just slot the bits of wood together, see how it goes. Right, I mean, oh, what, loose as a goose, loose as a goose. This, you know, if I butt that up properly, you will see if I can get my camera in the right place. You know, it's a bloody massive gap. They could have got that more accurate. You know, no, it's just laser cutting up fuck again. And then I found this. Now this is like a ply doubler, which one would presume is going to go over the balsa side like that. Now, that's great, until you realise I've only got one of them. Oh, God. So, yeah, bit foobarred there. I haven't got any more ply that size, so I can't make another one. Yes, bugger. Bit of a pain, that. Yeah. Now, if it was me, and let's presume this is the ply doubler for the side, you know, I would have extended it a bit to cover that joint, rather than be exactly the same size as that joint. You know, you want a bit of extra strength here because the thing's glued together. It would have been so easy to make that doubler a tad longer. That overlaps here, gives you that extra strength. But no, didn't happen. So there you go. Yeah, that's it for the day, and it's not even lunchtime. I can't really do any more. Yeah, so there we go. I've had a rant, and I've stopped building because I can't build anymore. So that's it. So I'll see you all tomorrow for part 4. Sorry it's so short. Oh, I'll tell you what else I can rant about. Covering. Let's rant about covering. I mean, look, 5 metres, £7.64 for 5 metres of covering, and it's bloody good stuff. Now, you can go, oh, Hobby King, they've ruined the covering market, selling that cheap Chinese covering. Well, if you go and look on Hobby King, you know they actually sell Solartex. So Hobby King were buying Solartex from Solar Film in the UK and flogging it. So, you know, I would say Hobby King were actually doing their bit, because generally Hobby King stock quite a bit of stuff. Anyway, there you go, ran over, and that, by the way, that's 2 of the 3 colours that this plane is going to be. I've got to add black to that as well. Right, that's it. Now I'm going. Rant, 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 rant. Don't get me started. See you all tomorrow.
Thank you for watching Captain Rob's RC Model Geeks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click that like button. If you want to see more of the same type of videos, don't forget you can subscribe. If you want to support us, you can use PayPal, paypal.me/RC Model Geeks. If you want to contact us, you can email us rcmodelgeeks@gmail.com. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.